Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you so much for clicking in this video. Today's video is a vlog style. Today is the first day of Ramadan, so it's 4:30 right now. I'm just starting dinner, so I thought I would just pick up the camera and show you guys what I got up to. I hope that your Ramadan is going really good. For me, it's doing amazing, alhamdulillah. It's just I'm having this headache because I'm so used to drinking caffeine during the day or the first thing in the morning, because I haven't had that today, so my headache is banging. So that's the only issue I'm having. Otherwise, I'm really good. I hope you guys are doing really well as well. So yes, let's go into the kitchen and get iftar ready. This is all the vegetable that I'll be using for this meal today. I'll be making a lot of variety of food. I like to make a lot of variety so I have more options when I'm eating iftar. So what about you guys? Do you like to have a lot of variety, or do you just have one meal during iftar? Even if you don't fast, how do you like to cook your meals? Is it a variety of meal, or do you just make one meal? For me, I like to make a lot of variety, and then when the iftar comes around, I just eat one and then I'm full. But during the day when I'm cooking, I just have this mindset of cooking a lot of variety. I can't help it. In today's menu, we have something in my language that we call futti, and also I'll be making something called tori, and then I will make some rice pudding to go along with yogurt, and also the lamb chop that I marinated on my food prep for Ramadan. I'll be making the lamb chop today, and also I will fry some samosas and spring rolls to go along with that, with some fruit. So that's what we'll be having for iftar. So I'm just getting all the vegetable ready so I can get to cooking. This is the finished product of what I made on day 1 of Ramadan. I have everything ready. Here it is at the table. Like I told you guys about making, this is futi, the rice pudding, spring roll samosas with the mango and date, and that's the tori. I also have some orange juice. So this is what we had for iftar on day 1. After all that food, I still needed to clean the kitchen. I was so tired, but because I have to wake up for suhoor, I needed the kitchen to be nice and clean and ready for that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to put all the leftovers in the fridge and then clean the kitchen. Okay guys, I think this is going to be the end of the video. I've done everything, all the cooking is done, iftar, and yes, I've cleaned the kitchen, so all is looking nice and clean, ready for tomorrow again. So yes, I'm just going to end the video here because I'm really tired. I have not prayed yet and I have to go to bed early because I need to wake up for suhoor. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and so subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.